Hey guys! Welcome back to Facts 360, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Today's video is gonna blow your mind, because we're diving into the world of viral science experiments you can try right at home. No fancy lab. No scientist degree. Just household stuff, and some epic reactions. Watch till the end. Experiment number 1 literally shock you at least, that's what it feels like. Number 5 The magic pepper trick. Grab a plate. Pour some water in it. Sprinkle black pepper all over the surface. Now here's the twist, dip your finger in some dish soap and touch the middle of the water. Within seconds, the pepper jumps to the edges like it's afraid of you. Feels like sorcery, right? But actually, it's science in action. The soap breaks the water's surface tension. The pepper, which is just floating, shoots away. Surface tension is the same force that allows insects to walk on water. Number 4 The DIY lava lamp. Take a clear glass. Fill it halfway with water. Add a few drops of food coloring. Now pour in cooking oil until the glass is almost full. Drop in half an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Boom, bubbles start rising and falling like glowing blobs in a lava lamp. Why does this happen? The oil floats on water. The tablet releases carbon dioxide gas. It pushes the colored water through the oil, creating a bubbling, floating effect. Number 3 The Bouncy Egg. Place a raw egg in a glass of vinegar. Leave it for 24 to 48 hours. When you take it out, the hard shell will be gone. What's left? A transparent, rubbery egg that bounces. How? Vinegar is an acid. It dissolves the calcium in the shell. The inner membrane stays intact. That creates this jelly-like egg. Number 2 Rainbow milk explosion. Pour some milk into a shallow dish. Add a few drops of different food colors, red, blue, yellow, green. Take a cotton swab. Dip it in dish soap. Gently touch the milk surface. The colors explode and swirl like liquid fireworks. What's going on here? The soap breaks the fat molecules in milk. It sets the food coloring into motion. It's chaotic, colorful, and mesmerizing. Number 1 Instant freeze bottle. Put a bottle of purified water in the freezer for about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Don't let it fully freeze, just enough that it's super cooled. Take it out carefully. Give it a sudden tap or pour it on an ice cube. You'll watch the water freeze right before your eyes. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. What's happening? Supercooled water freezes instantly when disturbed. The molecules are ready, just waiting for a signal. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you love fun science with zero boredom. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly mind-bending content. And share this with someone who thinks science is boring. Let's prove them wrong. This is Facts 360, where facts come to life.